Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin dropped like I predicted. I've been warning about it for a while. Bitcoin and crypto, be very cautious. And that played out. We dropped quite heavily. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I'm going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin and the altcoins I hold. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. And this is calling the warnings. Huge warning for Bitcoin and everyone in every crypto holder. 5,000 of you watch it. Bitcoin pumping, but there is something dangerous everyone is missing. 5,000 of you watch it. Bitcoin and crypto warning. I warned everyone for a while. Max Payne is almost in. Very dangerous traders. Bitcoin traders, very dangerous. Bitcoin traders, Bitcoin weekly candle closed just now and it's bad. I've been warning about this all week. So if you're like, oh, I didn't know about it, you must have missed my video. So let's go into the weekly. Crypto Guru bot on Bitcoin still firing a blue buy. You get it in the Crypto Master course. It fired at buy at 20K. It's still blue buy now. Stochastic coming down very strongly right now on the weekly. So how you read Stochastic, whenever they're above the dotted line, time to sell. Whenever below the dotted line, time to buy. Like whenever the Stochastic is up here, overbought, time to sell. Whenever it's down here, oversold, time to buy. For example, here it was oversold. Here was overbought. Here was overbought. You can see here was overbought. So keep that in mind as a good indicator. That's the main one that I use, everyone. That's what you should be using on everything. Stocks, crypto, as I teach you in the Crypto Master course. Stochastic on the daily, though, is oversold. We dropped it. I've been warning about this for a few days, like a weeks now, because of this rising wedge, which breaks down. The target of that rising wedge would be 58K. And I've got the trades at 63K and 59K to come down to these supports breaking of this rising wedge. The base of the wedge is how far we should come down. So this distance here, 58K is my target, 59K. I've got two trades open that I've been talking about for a few days, one at 63K and one at 59K. I would make sure you have a little bit open stop losses, a little bit like down stop losses, because it could spike down easily, but it will hold on those. But I'm only trying to catch the bounce on these drops. I only want to catch the bounce, and then I'm going to sell. Once it gets down to 59K, I'm going to hold. So I'm going to move the trade over there just to make it more easy to see, even though I've been warning about this for a long time. But I want to catch it on this yellow cross, you see, where this main yellow trend line that Bitcoin has been on all year. That's where I want to catch Bitcoin, to catch a strong bounce. And you can see, so at 63K and 59K, those are the two areas that I've got buys on these two big supports. And that's how I've got my trades. If you want to going to trade like you're seeing me do, going underneath the video, under the video, sign up to Bybit using this link. You get a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. Take the Crypto Master course to learn all of this. You learn all of this information in the Crypto Master course. You can learn how to trade and the courses, and you get the Crypto Guru bot. And the third one, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. And over on Bybit, you can see how I've got these trade setups. I've got one Bitcoin at 66K right now, dropping off as I warned everyone. And I've got trade 3 Bitcoin at 63K. I re-added that trade today. 10 Bitcoin at 58K. And this 63K, it's only gonna activate, and then I'm gonna close it on the bounce. I'm not gonna keep it open. 10 Bitcoin trade is where I want to catch at 58K. And I've got 1 million Doge at 11 cents. And Doge is starting to come down quite heavy as well. Doge is sitting at 13, down 5%. Lucky I closed my Doge positions yesterday. Still took a big hit on my account though. From yesterday, I was at 594, then 586. So still taking quite a big hit. USDT but I moved mostly into cash. So my drop wasn't so big because I mostly moved into cash. I've got from this 600, 595, 385 plus 22. So 385 plus 22 is almost 400. Of this 600, 400 is cash. Then I've got 86K in MCRT, 13K in Bitcoin. I reduced my positions yesterday if you followed my videos, and I kept reducing. Pocket, I've got 5K. Uniswap, I've got 5K. Uniswap held up really well, even bounced back. Doge, though, dropped massive. Lucky I reduced my position here. So now I want to check where I can buy the best buys for Worldcoin, Doge, all the positions that I have. So Uniswap holding strong. Uniswap breaking out of this cup and handle and descending triangle. See this descending triangle? Builds pressure and breaks out. Uniswap is currently breaking out of that. And it's got another big pattern here. It's a giant cup and handle. Giant cup and handle. If that breaks out, target would be the base of the cup. So the distance here is the distance that Uniswap can break out. So $14 would be the target of Uniswap. And it is breaking out right now of this descending triangle and still heading up with volume coming in, with stochastic turning up, 4-hourly turning up. Unis look like it's going to go. Big resistance, first sell order I would put at $12. So you got around, there's a big resistance there at $12. So that's at least how much gains from here. 13.49%. So I can add more to Uniswap here. I'm currently holding, I've got buys at $7.50 though for Uniswap to buy 5,000. Not pulling back. I reduced my positions a lot in Uni, but it can really run up here to the target of $12. I can get 13%. It will form a big W formation once it does that as well, but just the market is looking dangerous for me, but Uniswap looks pretty good. Worldcoin dropping massively. Lucky I closed my positions when I warned everyone. I closed big positions here, and we're just free falling through supports. Altcoins are just getting demolished. $2 would be a great buy for World. There'll be another support at $2.70, but I think with this fall and no one buying, I think there's going to be massive panic in the market. So $2 is potentially buy. $2.70 is another potential buy. Let's look at spot. World, I haven't got set here, so let's put Worldcoin. Just free falling. So you've got buyers potentially at $2.10 and $2.80. So let's buy $2.10. Let's buy $40,000 worth at $2.10 of World. So I'm going to buy $40,000 worth of World at $2.10. Now I want to check out Doge 13.4 falling back. Lucky I closed my positions. It still looks like I'm holding it. You can see I've got like Uniswap 5K, Pocket 5K, Doge 5K, World 4K. But you got to remember, I was holding 100,000 of Uni, 100,000 of Doge, 100,000 of World. So I closed them in the profits massively and managed to move into cash. And now I want to catch this big drop that looks like it's playing out. Big support on Doge. I wouldn't say there's a big support until $10.70. 10 cents 70 on Doge. So modify this to 10 cents 70. I'm going to buy 1 million Doge at 10.70. And here I've got at 11.50. I'll also buy at 11 cents. I'll buy, so $100,000 would be 10,000. 100,000. So I'll buy 400,000. So I'll buy $40,000 of Doge at 11 cents. So here I'm buying 400,000 Doge at 11 cents on spot. For Bitcoin at 58K. I would make that. Yeah, Ken. I've got 7 times 5, 35,000 Uni at $7.50, and World at $2.10. I'm gonna buy 40K worth. Any other ones at Doge, World, BNB, Bitcoin at 58K, Pocket coming down to 9 cents. Free falling. Wow, lucky I got out of all of these positions, everyone. Hopefully you listen to me on my videos, everyone. It's just a bloodbath. Support on Pocket not till 4 cents, everyone. If it breaks here, I mean, here we have a very strong support at 8 cents. And here we have a support at 6 cents, but it'll get some bounces. But I think 4 cents is really where it can free fall to. Do I have Pocket? Shit, I should have closed more of it. So Pocket, 4 cents will be my 4 cents. 0.04 is where I'm gonna buy 0.04, and I'll also buy 0.0, and I'll buy $30,000 worth of Pocket. at 0.04. 25. Oh, I can only buy. I've got too many orders set. 25,000 at pocket at 0.04. Confirm. So I've got 20,000 of pocket 0.04. World at $2.10. Uniswap $7.50. Doge 11 cents. Bitcoin 58k. Once it's free falling, people panic. We have to see how far it goes. Not buy too much as it's coming down, everyone. That's something I learned. Make sure you've got them at strong supports and start laddering in, because you don't know how much panic can go in the markets. Open long at million at 10 cents. Doge 63k. That Bitcoin 60. I reduced this to 2 Bitcoin at 63k because I think it's going to nuke if there's a lot of panic. And 10 Bitcoin at 58k. Discount 596, but taking big hits. Even though I managed to get out, and I've been warning everyone for like 5-6 days, I still lost maybe 30,000, like 7% or 10%. But I closed, like you can see the positions I'm holding, even though I'm still holding a little bit. I reduced them from 100k each to, I've got 13k Bitcoin. I had at some points like 6 Bitcoin. Pocket, I had 100k, now 5k. I closed all these positions, and I closed these not just now. I've been warning about this for a while. If you follow me on Twitter, on X, I've been telling everyone for ages. I've got 85,400 followers. Bitcoin and Doge warning. I sold. This was March 17th. I sold the exact top, and I closed my Bitcoin positions. I had closing with $180,000 profits. Close. Let's see if this trade closes. Bitcoin was the same, but at this point when I was closing all my alts, as I was closing all my alts, it was like they were 70% plus up. And yesterday I said, Bitcoin, huge warning for Bitcoin and every crypto holder. I give so much free alpha in here, it's ridiculous. And while Shadowband, I go up 1,000 followers every day and stay at 85,000. And again, I'm back at 85,400 followers. My number one favorite trader, JaviML, doesn't work miracles. He used sound economics. Socialism and bloated bureaucracies don't work 100%. Since he took over, inflation went from 25% to 4%. He fired all these fake politicians. Paul, do you think all games in play will be play-to-earn gaming in the future? Discover how MCRT is leading the charge in play-to-earn revolution, embracing technological future and transforming your gaming skills into real earnings. 62% believe it's the future of gaming. This was at this moment Elon Musk knew he won people's hearts.
In the context of being a shareholder, unlocking these values of optimists, we need you. And just with all the...
And I love supporting Elon Musk. And again, guys, everyone, all the links underneath the video. Go down below. Underneath the video, the exchanges that I use, the courses that you can take, and the Telegram you can join. Love you all. Have an amazing day. That's my updates in the market. Safe out there. Lucky if you got out with me back in March. Congratulations. You saved a lot of your gains. And a lot of the alts are back to like almost the bear market. And that's where I want to pick them up at those lows. Love you all. Be safe out there. Protect your capital. Once the top was in, sell quickly. The bottom takes a while to form. Buy the bottom, slowly sell the top quickly. Love you all. Have an amazing day and weekend, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.